One thing I learned about riding this thing around, I tell you what, this K8 is comfortable as heck. I've already gone about 20-something miles. I'm working on getting that squeak and taking care of on the shocks, but it is sweet, especially the cruise control. That was a quick open up 2-minute box unfold. Really little amount of tie wraps. Let's get this handlebars on in the front, turn it upside down, put on the wheel. Let's get this thing going. What came in that box? AC power supply, headlight brackets, nice little toolkit, hex tools, user's manual, and lefty tighty, righty tighty pedals. That's what's in the box. Get this on the road. Alright, that's your headlight, 2 bolts there, and you saw earlier the bracket, and real simple headlight little switch right there. See, does light. Look at that. Oh, is it on this little $3.99? It's got a left and right turn. Barely see it, but we'll get a picture at night. But yeah, we'll go over this. Oh, I like this display. It's actually pretty bright. It's not colorful, but it's pretty bright. You got the power right here, 1 1000, 2 1000, 3 1000, 3 to turn it off, 1 1000, 2 1000, 3 1000 turns it on. You got the plus and the minus symbol, which is your 3-pedal assist. 1, 2, 3, 2, 1, back down to 0. If you hold in the power button, it goes from odometer to trip to voltage. Time, this is the time since you turn the bike on. When you turn the bike off, that will go back to 0. There's your odometer in miles. So you have light switch on and off. You have your, believe it or not, this $399 e-bike right now is going for $399, and it has turn signals. Come on, guys, turn signals. How can you go wrong, right? Let's turn this back on again. Sorry. Oh, I hate, that's a negative for me right there. Do not like that horn. And as you know, let's look at your handlebars real quick here, okay? We got the left, obviously your left grip, your front brake. These are front and rear disc brakes, guys. That's another negative for me, but you know, when you're at $399, they go to that price point, they try to get you as much as they can features for you, but at the same time save your money. You have your right grip, your rear brake, 7-speed Shimano, your half twist throttle. That's a positive for me. Do not like the thumb throttle. And that's your handlebars. Let's go with some of the specs. All right, guys, this is the K8 model, the Ebkarocy K8 model. How about that nice little seat you got there? It has the front suspensions, got mid-drive suspensions, 750 watt peak motor, 65 plus miles on long range. It's got full suspension, all-terrain, 20-inch fat tires, got a 48-volt battery, 13 amp hour lithium battery, guys. Max speed on this is 25 miles an hour. We already went over. You have 3 pedal assist modes. Now, this thing is about 69 inches long. The handlebar height from the top of the handlebar to the ground is 47 inches, 42-inch wheelbase. The seat height is 34 inches. They say that this thing is made for 5'4" to 6'2". Bike weighs 695 pounds. Load is 350 pounds. The front wheel, it's called the Equip with spring suspension, double fork shock absorbers. Now the mid-drive is a shock absorber, but it's called spring support shock absorbers. And that's here on the mid-drive. Your seat, you know, it's like a real comfortable seat. What can I say? They're on a lot of these. Got nice bright headlights, supposedly EP certified, weatherproof. The front and rear mechanical brake, 3x4 fat tires, all-terrain, city, snow, mountain, sandy beaches. We'll find out. I don't know about the snow, but the other stuff I think we might be able to work on. Always double check. Remember, Starboard valve's not the X-rays. It says it's delivering up to 35 plus miles per charge. A fully recharged takes about 4 to 6 hours. Remember, you can charge it in the bike or outside the bike. Let's get this Ebkarocy on the road and let's check it out. How you guys doing?
Good, how are you?
Good. I've been in pedal assist 1. I got it down here so you can see that. I've been in pedal assist 1. I'm cruising 16 miles an hour. This is not going to touch that. I'll tell you, if you want to get up to that 35 miles that it says it gets on a charge, you just cruising like this. There's no reason to be out of pedal assist number 1. I mean, come on, it's crazy. Look at this. It just cruises. Not much to it, guys. Very simple. It's the kind of e-bike you want. Under $400 right now. It's got 3 pedal assist modes. Gets up to 25, 26 miles an hour. Got a nice looking display. It's not colorful, but it's very clear. Lights on and off right here. Turn signals, guys. Left and right turn signals. Come on. Got a cool little horn. I think it seats up to 350 pounds. You got a 5'4" to 6'2" on the height level. Front and rear suspension, big 20-inch knob tires. Signals, guys, turn signals. Front and rear plastic fender, which I like. I do not like the metal fender, it makes too much noise. I already told you, I do not like that. I do like this half twist throttle, guys. I love this half twist throttle. And I love the way this thing handles, like a little motorcycle. Oh my God. Kidding me? Wow, this thing handles so nice. Very nice. Wow. All different terrains, especially with those 20-inch tires. Just love the way it handles. I love the way this thing handles. Wow. This is Doheny Park, guys. Beautiful park if you ever get some time. Looks like they got a big old concert going. So looks like they fenced off a lot of the area over here. Okay. Probably a sign that says do not enter or something, maybe. But yeah, this is nice, man. All right, let's see a little action here. Wow. Man, this is sand. Woo! The K8, baby. The K8. Gosh. I've been riding this thing around for a long time, and I'm telling you, I'm trying to come up with stuff that, you know, when I do my pros and cons, it's going to be hard. Ebkarocy, thank you so much for sending me this bike so that I can do a product review for my crew, my Starboard bow crew. You guys too. Thanks for watching. Guys, if you haven't subscribed already, my name is Pete. Obviously, I do product reviews. I do RV reviews. I do travel reviews. I'm all over the country. But I want to thank you guys, and hopefully you subscribe if you haven't already. And I want to make sure all you guys subscribe, like, and comment. And don't forget to hit the bell so you can see more videos. Now, liking helps me get a little bit more attention. As long as you comment. And Ebkarocy, all the information, their website, their support information, the links, the codes, all that good stuff, so you can get the discount. I can't see they're going to be offering any better discount than what it's right now. This thing is crazy. All right, let's go back home to the Hornet. Thanks, guys, for watching. We'll see you later.